Welcome to Stocks Galore. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or AI, and its impact on your stock market success and life in general. We'll show you how to harness the power of AI to rise above the panic and make informed investment decisions. Get ready as we explore how AI can propel your success to new heights. Leave behind the noise of panic and embrace the potential of AI-driven insights. AI, the buzzword that's been making waves everywhere. When you do a quick Google search, you'll find a lot of terrifying information about AI. You'll see mind-blowing artwork, AI passing exams, and even examples of AI outperforming humans in various tasks. It's all quite overwhelming, right? But here's the thing. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to enhance your abilities and give you the tools to succeed like never before. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, a scientist, or in any other profession, AI has the power to take your work to new heights. Let's imagine you're an artist. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, trends, and styles to help you generate innovative ideas and create breathtaking artwork. It can provide you with inspiration, suggest new techniques, and even automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on your creativity and push the boundaries of your artistic expression. Now, if you're a marketer, AI can revolutionize your strategies. With its ability to process vast amounts of customer data, AI can help you understand your target audience on a whole new level. It can analyze consumer behavior, predict trends, and optimize marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Imagine having a virtual assistant that provides real-time insights and recommendations to boost your marketing efforts. As a scientist, AI can be your invaluable partner in research and discovery. It can assist in data analysis, identify patterns and correlations, and even simulate complex models and experiments. With AI's computational power and ability to learn from vast amounts of data, it can help you uncover new insights, accelerate scientific breakthroughs, and solve problems that were once considered insurmountable. And let's not forget about other professions. Whether you're a doctor, engineer, financial analyst, or any other professional, AI can augment your capabilities. It can assist in diagnosing illnesses, optimizing engineering designs, analyzing financial markets, and so much more. The possibilities are vast, and the potential for growth and innovation is immense. The key is to embrace AI as a powerful tool that amplifies your skills and expertise. It's not about being replaced by machines. It's about leveraging their capabilities to achieve greater outcomes. By collaborating with AI, you can accomplish tasks more efficiently, make data-driven decisions, and stay ahead in an ever-evolving world. So whether you're an artist, a marketer, a scientist, or pursuing any other profession, remember that AI is your ally. Embrace its potential, explore its applications, and let it empower you to reach new heights of success. AI is the ultimate force multiplier. It can help you solve problems faster and more efficiently than ever before. As Elon Musk once said, people are paid in direct proportion to the difficulty of the problems they solve. And if you can solve them faster, well, that's even better. So how can you make money in the stock market using AI? The short answer is yes, AI will be the biggest change of our time. It will revolutionize industries across the board. But instead of trying to beat AI, the key is to use it to your advantage. In the world of finance, AI has emerged as a game changer, providing investors with powerful tools and insights to navigate the complex landscape of the stock market. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, AI algorithms can identify patterns, trends, and correlations that human traders might miss. This opens up new opportunities for making informed investment decisions and maximizing returns. One way to harness the power of AI in the stock market is through algorithmic trading. AI algorithms can execute trades with lightning speed, taking advantage of market inefficiencies and making split-second decisions based on predefined strategies. This automated approach can eliminate emotional biases and human errors, leading to more consistent and disciplined trading outcomes. Additionally, AI can help investors in portfolio management. By analyzing historical data, market trends, and risk factors, AI-powered portfolio management platforms can provide personalized recommendations for asset allocation, diversification, and risk management. This enables investors to optimize their portfolios and achieve a balance between risk and return. Moreover, AI can assist in sentiment analysis and predictive modeling. By scanning news articles, social media feeds, and financial reports, AI algorithms can gauge public sentiment towards a particular stock or market trend. This sentiment analysis, coupled with predictive modeling, can help investors anticipate market movements and make timely decisions. It's important to note that while AI can be a valuable tool, it's not a crystal ball. Market dynamics can be influenced by numerous factors, and there is always a degree of uncertainty involved. AI should be seen as a complement to your own knowledge and expertise, providing you with additional insights and perspectives. To make the most of AI in the stock market, it's crucial to stay informed and continuously learn about the latest advancements. Understand the algorithms and models used by AI platforms, evaluate their track records, and consider the recommendations in the context of your own investment strategy. Finally, remember that successful investing requires a long-term perspective. AI can help identify short-term opportunities, but building wealth in the stock market is often a result of disciplined investing, diversification, and a focus on long-term value creation. So when it comes to making money in the stock market using AI, embrace it as a powerful tool that can augment your decision-making process. Combine the strengths of AI with your own insights and expertise to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals. Now you might be wondering, is AI really that revolutionary? Well, let me assure you it is. AI is the tool that will empower you to do more, to accomplish tasks that were once considered impossible. It's time to reframe your thinking about AI. Embrace it as a phenomenal tool that can amplify your abilities. To harness the power of AI, you need to identify your vulnerabilities and understand how AI can disrupt your industry. Face it head-on, and don't shy away from this moment of disruption. This is your opportunity to gain a competitive advantage. But how do you get started? First, identify all the AI tools that are relevant to your field and master them. Dive deep into learning everything you can about AI and its applications. Remember, this is just the beginning of a remarkable revolution. Being an early adopter of AI gives you two significant advantages. First, you can excel ahead of others by mastering these tools, making you the go-to person for efficient problem solving. And second, while others are caught in a state of fascination or panic, you can acquire new skills and seize opportunities in the stock market. So my friend, AI is not the enemy. It's the partner you've been waiting for. Embrace it, master it, and let it propel you to new heights. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt and leverage the power of AI. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, AI is reshaping the way we work, create, and innovate. Rather than fearing AI as a threat to our livelihoods, we must recognize its immense potential as a tool that can amplify our capabilities and open doors to endless possibilities. AI has the power to streamline mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and strategic decision-making. By automating repetitive processes, AI liberates our time and energy, enabling us to tackle more complex challenges and explore new avenues of growth. As you embark on your journey to embrace AI, remember that it's not about being replaced by machines. It's about collaborating with them to achieve remarkable outcomes. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate insights at an unprecedented speed, providing us with a competitive edge in our respective fields. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, a scientist, or in any other profession, AI can augment your abilities and expand your horizons. For artists, AI can assist in generating ideas, enhancing creative processes, and even pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Marketers can leverage AI to gain deep customer insights, personalize experiences, and optimize marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Scientists can harness the power of AI to accelerate research, analyze complex data sets, and make breakthrough discoveries that were once unimaginable. And across all professions, AI can assist in making better-informed decisions, reducing errors, and driving innovation that improves the lives of people worldwide. As you embark on this journey, remember that mastering AI is not an overnight process. It requires continuous learning, experimentation, and a growth mindset. Stay curious, seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge, and embrace the ongoing advancements in AI technology. Moreover, collaboration is key. Connect with like-minded individuals, join communities, and engage in meaningful discussions to exchange ideas and experiences. By coming together, we can collectively shape the future of AI and ensure its benefits are realized by all. So, my friend, the future is bright for those who are willing to adapt and harness the power of AI. Embrace this partnership, seize the opportunities it presents, and let it propel you to new heights of success and innovation. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the incredible potential of AI and how it can revolutionize the job and stock market too. Remember, disruption presents opportunity, and AI is the ultimate force multiplier. So don't panic. Embrace this technological revolution and let it propel you towards success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.